So to create an Outlook meeting from the calendar, you'd have to first go to the calendar, which you can't see, but it's over on this side of Outlook underneath Mail. You press New Event and then add a title. But any attendees you want, you can pick a day or a time. Go with today at 1:30. And add a description. And then whenever you finish with all of this, you can either set it to for an all day meeting or for it to repeat every week, daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, or custom, and then send, and it'll pop up in your calendar right there.